Hi everybody, welcome to day 5 of Waxvent. We're just flying through these.
I know.
Rhys is patient again in this one. Just the one patient. I am going to be coming up. One of my removals is going to be coming back up soon. So.
What? Just one?
Just one.
Just the one?
Just the one.
So yeah, this one, very, very big old plugs and thick plugs of wax here. Right curette in there as well. I thought, oh, this whole thing's moving. I thought, hang on a minute, when you look at what actually came off, it was like hardly anything at all. Look how far back that goes. I'm really trying to get as far back as I can.
Just to draw it all forwards.
Yeah.
Just yeah.
Look at this go. Oh. It's funny because it looks really thick when it's in there, and then as it comes away, then it all just look at that. Look how far back it goes, man.
How dark it is as well.
Yeah, it is just this sort of really almost like ebony colour.
Yeah. It's that gloopy sort of.
Yes.
It looks really hard, but it's a really soft and mushy type of wax.
And a lot of the times with these, you get this kind of this thick underlayer. So as you try to peel it off, it just kind of scoops everything off the top of that underlayer and leaves the layer in place.
Cool.
Another piece. So I will do this a lot. I'll kind of scoop all the stuff off on top and then try and pick that thicker underlayer up.
Yeah. Usually works really well when there's more space.
Yeah.
Above it. Yeah.
I'll do it sometimes as well. I'll take the centre of it out. I'll just scoop the middle of the plug out and like
just draw them in.
The sides in then. Yeah.
Oh, that's not a nice one to do.
Just so you know, guys, Katie's taking a bit of a break from YouTube as well, which is why you haven't seen her for Waxvent. You might not have seen her for a little while, but she will come back on for the odd video. But it's just the way things are working in the clinic as well at the moment. And Katie said, she wouldn't mind a bit of a break from YouTube and then coming back to it. So she will be back on your screens, but it'll just be kind of here and then, here and now. So you're stuck with me and Taylor, I'm afraid, for a little bit longer. I know.
Oh, look at that.
You
got like that thicker skin, and then you got all that wax sat on top of it.
It's just how dark that middle layer is there. It's just so thick and like, it's just absorbing all the light in the canal. It's just mega dark.
Yeah, it's coming away in little bits, which is good, I guess. It's better than nothing.
It's what happens to that bit of skin, because that's always their clincher, isn't it? Sometimes you get these loose bits of skin and you'll start to try and peel it away, and the wax above it will come off, and then the skin will keep flicking up in front of the next bit of wax you're trying to get to.
Get away.
Okay, it's that grey colour to underneath. I've tried to put some oil in, but it hasn't gone down as far.
I don't understand how that happens. I've had it a few times where I've popped, sprayed it in, and it just hasn't got anywhere near the wax. I don't understand.
I did see Neil was doing one. I think he was using it, the old speculi for the old horoscope, and he was putting that and spraying it through the speculi just to direct so it doesn't coat the edges of the canal wall.
I see.
Which I think is quite a clever idea.
We haven't got any though, have we? Have we got any speculi?
Do you know what? Because we've been using the endoscope for such a long time now. Yeah, I don't know if we have. We might have some. I could order some. We could try it.
I'm pretty sure there's some in one of the cupboards we got. Cause
might be.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh, that's better.
There we go. It's got down to where it needs to now. Just in case you are wondering, if this is the first time you've stumbled across our channel, you're thinking, why are these two guys sitting there with teeny bobs in there? This is Waxvent. We do this every single December. It's a thank you to all our subscribers and members for following us all throughout the year. So we produce more videos over Christmas time, and we give you a Waxvent calendar, so you count that one down. So every day you get a new video that comes out, all the way up to Christmas Eve as well. So it takes you right up to the festive period. So we're just getting to this bit here, but make sure you do hit that subscribe or follow button, guys, and that way then you get to know when new videos come up.
Yep. That is wedged, isn't it?
It is. And I've got this whole section. I thought it was a little bit.
I was just going to say that's going the whole length.
There was this big old chunky piece, and there's so many times I've kind of missed that little bit on the left hand side, because it's all peeled in front of it and left that sticky piece there. But
that's starting to come. It's
starting to go, isn't it? There's even more of that again. Look. how the canal's almost done that and narrowed. They probably couldn't have been hearing anything at all, this patient.
No.
I really want that to come through cleanly. The last thing I want is for that to be a pinch point.
Yeah.
And for it to kind of open back up again beyond it.
That'll be a nightmare to remove.
Imagine trying to get that through there. Especially if it was a soft, squishy kind of clay wax as well.
Yeah, we've had a couple of patients that we've been, unable to clear because the ear canals are naturally just way too small for us to even do anything. And it's a bit of a shame really, because there's some ear canals that have just gone like this, and it's just gone to the point where you can only just about get the fine end through. I
had a lady through and I had to say to her, look, it's just got too narrow, I can't clear it. Because we've been clearing, we have a lot of patients we can clear with that narrow, but I think I had a lady through recently and I just said, look, it's got to the point where it's just so closed now that we can't even get the tools in. And they need to be, a more specialist removal clinic. Ideally needs to be ENT. Yeah. So we'll send them into ENT for that.
Oh, look at that coming away.
I know. And I'm kind of glad it came away like that.
Lovely, look at that.
So much nicer in there now, eardrum looking really healthy. And other side, it's exactly the same as always. Yay! So we get this bit out now as well.
And it's 5 o'clock. I'm sorry.
This will be your 4:30 patient.
Yeah.
That turns up 10 to 15 minutes late. Keep us stuck in traffic. This will be that one.
Yeah. And you ring him back on, man. I'm going to be late.
Yeah. So we just get into the end here. Let's pull this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a bit more kind of structure to this wax, this one. A big, chunky bit of dry skin just flicked out as well then, though.
Didn't expect that much to come out then, to be fair.
No, I expected it to be literally just a little scoop on the end, but not that big chunk. Look, I'm trying to get the right curette in here, and it's just hitting these couple of sections at the front end. But I think if I can, there it is.
Oh, that's coming away nice, Now that's what you wanted on the other side.
That is exactly what I wanted on the side. It took some way. I think there's still. Oh, yeah, I think it brought the next section. No, it didn't. I thought it brought the next section forwards. Somehow it looks like it's gone further in. And it looks like there's more in there than we had just a second ago. But it's we're getting there.
Pushing it back in.
I don't know what's going on. It seems like the never-ending ear canal. The more I take away, the more it seems to be in there. Because there was a big gap a second ago, wasn't there, where we could get the tool behind it. And now we've got this solid, look at that. This is going to be a good ruler shot, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for that, because I think there's got to be a heck of a lot on that ruler. Yeah, suction's going to have to come in now, lift all this up. Bit of a wiggle.
Yeah, just got that little bit on the bottom as well. Oh.
I've just got to lift that bit of skin now. And we've got to get rid of this bit before we can start working on that much, much deeper section. Go on, what's your bets for the ruler shot at the end? I haven't seen this ruler shot, so I don't know.
7 centimeters.
Oh, you're going big.
I'm going big, yeah.
Go on then, I'll say 2 3/4 inches.
Ooh.
Right, pause the video, put what you think is going to be there. Don't skip to the end and cheat. Put it at the bottom, let us know what you think. See if you agree with me and Taylor, and we'll see which one of us gets the closest at the end, okay? So, let's put this on in.
I think 7 centimeters might be a bit much actually. I don't know. There's quite a lot that's coming out here.
Yeah,
there's quite a lot
because there was some longer skin pieces as well. Yeah, I think you might be bang on there. I think you ain't really far off. I don't even know what 2 3/4 inches is in centimeters. So I reckon it's probably around about the 7.
Probably is about yeah.
Yeah, probably would be thinking of it. So still got this very deep, exactly the same as the other side now.
I thought it was almost done when you went into the.
I thought that was going to be it.
Right curette.
You can see one little hair like where I'm going to drop back just to stop me from chopsticking. We're just right where all those little hairs are.
chopsticking is just where the camera and the suction
right.
tube just bang together. If you've don't, I've never heard of the term before. Oh, it's like
it's welded in there, isn't it? I want your video to be next. It better be your video for White Day 6 because I can't come up with a voiceover.
I'm trying to jump in as well.
I want Taylor to have a 40-minute long video for Waxvent Day 6.
My first one weren't far off, to be fair.
Yeah, I give you that. That was it 25 minutes?
25 minutes, yeah.
If you haven't watched that one, guys, go back and watch day 1 of Waxvent for 2025. If you like the Waxvent videos, don't forget you've got last year's. I think we've been in Waxvent now for, 3 years, 4 years?
Definitely since I've been doing it.
The 12 days of Waxmas.
I think it's probably
was the OG.
5 years.
5 years now, is it?
Because I think you've done it. I think you've done it once before I started doing it, and then I've started doing these obviously when I first started. So yeah, it's probably about 5 years.
Gee. So yeah, you've got and there will, if you look in the playlists, if you're watching this on YouTube, I don't know if some of the others, some of them I can't put playlists on. So I think Instagram and Facebook, there might be some playlists on TikTok. Have a little look at the playlist. You'll go back and you can check out the Waxvent for the last couple of years as well. You'll see if you go far enough, you'll see Taylor's first Waxvent.
Yeah, we were saying this the other day. I think one of my first videos was around episode 500 and something.
Oh, what are we now, 11, 12?
Yeah.
No, we're much higher than that. I don't know now. My brain's temporarily gone. We're 1,200 and some odd, I think, now, are we?
Cool.
Yeah, I think we're 1,200 and some odd now.
Losing track of the
you've done. There's more videos on the channel with you in than without you.
Oh, there we are. Got to that point now.
You got the tipping point now. So I'm still wiggling here. Loads of olive oil gone in for this last bit.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to lift this. I'm surprised this patient could hear anything at all. They probably couldn't actually think about it.
No.
That is just such a thick plug in there.
As soon as that last bit pulls out, now they'll be like, oh, I can hear it again.
You tend to find a lot with this. They go, oh, I can hear, and then they'll move and go, oh, no, I can't.
Oh,
I can hear, no, I can't.
Or you start pulling it forward, they feel better, and then it gets wedged at the entrance. They're like, oh, no, blocked again now. Oh, there is no room at all to move that around, is it?
That is. I'm going to have to go right curette. And I can see me looking at the gap. At the
yeah,
top.
that little bit top left there, yeah.
I don't like going in too deep with I don't like going in when it's this deep really with it, but I'm just not getting anywhere.
So if you're going to at least break some away so you've got a bit more space, that might...
It's still thick plugs though, look at it. And the problem you've got there, especially with clay wax, you've pushed down so you've pressed it now against the canal wall again.
Yeah.
That's still not going anywhere. Absolutely chock-a-block.
I was going to say solid then, but it's not even solid, is it? It's weird. It's a strange, stretchy kind of...
It's that Play-Doh-y clay. I could probably do put a little bit more in there looking at that. Now we got it going. Now we got it.
I was going to say you've got a good grip there now.
You can see I'm dropping down a bit further, holding the grip. Bit more of a wiggle.
Roll it forwards.
There's the oil.
There's the oil.
Have to go in. I might have to go up and down a bit now to get to work that oil in there.
Oh, there we are. Look, I see it. Know exactly what you're doing.
Knew it. It's almost like I've done this before.
Yeah, a couple of times.
I was just working our back and forth movement. I was just forcing the oil to get underneath.
Yeah, there it comes.
Do.
I would imagine there'd be a lot of pressure with that as well, with that being wedged in there.
Yeah.
Goodness me.
Don't you get stuck here now? I've just unstuck you from one area. I don't need to stick you again. Oh, it's gone mega
bit of oil, yeah.
Oh, it's better than I thought it was going to be. I got to be honest. Just that last little bit to take away on the bottom here. Not too fast. I could leave that there if I wanted to, but we'll just take it away just quickly.
Yeah, a bit of staining on it. Oh, I was miles away.
If
you stretched it out,
yeah, see, I put it all together. I didn't stretch it out.
Cheating.
I knew it. I went 2 or 3. It was like 2 inches, wasn't it?
Yeah, you were far off it.
So guys, thank you very much for watching Waxvent Even Day 5. We hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we did voicing it over. And as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you. Do you want to do one or do you want to do that?
I'll do one.
Good. Day 6 of Waxvent. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.